Check out this Ram 2020 2500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: black premium cloth bucket seats included, bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat power adjust 8-way driver seat folding flat load floor storage rear 60/40 folding seat front seat back map pockets power 2-way driver lumbar adjust full length upgraded floor console, heated seats and wheel group included, heated steering wheel mounted audio controls heated front seats leather wrapped steering wheel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift control, front fog lamps, spray and bud liner, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, level 1 equipment group included, radio Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display Google Android Auto 1-year Sirius XM radio service Sirius XM